Hi everyone, I got my refrigerator today, my two-door refrigerator from the company eHarmony. If I'm pronouncing that right, I do not know. It is nice. It's a 3.5 or something like that. It's bigger than my last refrigerator. It is really nice. Let me open up the freezer for you. See how big the freezer is? It's really nice. I love the freezer. That's my best part. And then you have the refrigerator. Got everything here. So I'm very happy with my purchase. Very, very happy. Yes, indeed. I will recommend this refrigerator, freezer / combo. It is great. I give it a 10 out of 10. Thank you. Bye.
Do not buy. Look at this. This is the original side. I've taken off all this, everything, just to find out that you can't flip this upside down. You cannot do this. You can't do this, bro. This will not work. This is right here. Interchangeable, right? What is that? That is not the piece that I have. This cannot fucking just flip. This cannot. That's physically impossible. It's pretty hard. No, it's not possible.